walking through what is possibly the most wickedest little tunnel ever. It's really good fun. There's Vauneta.
Ooh, it's like the perfect tunnel for my height. I don't have to bend down or anything. It's cool.
It's very good here, very good. We've made our way to Ellis Brook hiking trail in Martin. It's located in Martin. Might post a map for you, that would be nice, won't it? Really friendly here, very family friendly. Lots of people have already sort of parked up. The dogs are going to love it.
The dogs are taking off.
Dogs are taking off. Already spotted some kangaroos and already contended with the vegetation, which is quite sharp if you're wearing a t-shirt, I found out, so ouchies. So we're doing how long is the walk, babes? 8Ks?
Yeah, I think so. Return eventually 8Ks.
So it's only an 8K little walk. Really nice area, nice location. All the spring flowers are already starting to show their heads a little bit. It's a lovely sunny day, 17 degrees. And we're making our way to a quarry. There's a quarry on the way. And also we're going to be following the Ellis Brook stream down to 60-foot falls.
Yeah.
That's it.
God, you nailed it.
I'm getting there. I'm definitely getting there. So we're traveling light today. I haven't really packed too much photography equipment. I might take out the little tello and give that a go because it's pretty nifty. And yeah, I reckon I'm going to get some nice photos today, and the dogs are going to get a good walk. But not if we keep on talking like this. So we'll catch you at the next cool place.
Ciao.
Hey again. A lot of this path we're discovering is single file pretty much because it's quite slim. Already seen some cyclists around. So you could come here on your bike, it would be quite cool I think. The weather's really lovely today, so we're actually gonna probably cook up, so it'd be good to have a bit of sunscreen on. It's not been too challenging so far walk-wise, it's pretty level. It's just so beautiful. This is a really lovely spot to come and just enjoy the scenery. All the birds are singing. The only real downside is perhaps the occasional plane that seems to be flying overhead now and again, makes a bit of noise, but we're city slickers, so that's fine. We're going to carry on and catch you soon. Oh no. Oh.
We're on top of the hill at Ellis Brook Reserve. There's a little bit of a steep climb coming up, a few big steep steps, but nothing that's too hectic or takes your breath away. So we reached up the top, lovely waterfall and some lookout points along the way. It's pretty crowded, so we're just off to the side of the waterfall, enjoying the view and the sunshine and our trail mix. So there's been some. There's a nice view of the city from here. It's really quite nice and special, really, to have something like this so close to the city. But I'll flick you around so you can see. I think I've done it. You probably can't really see the city now that I'm saying about it.
No, I'm just saying that.
Oh yeah. It's better with your own eyes. Anyway, we've probably been walking for maybe a leisurely stroll for about an hour or just over. I think we've probably got about another hour ahead of us or something like that. But as I say, we're taking it pretty easy, stopping a lot. It's a very popular walk and popular with dogs as well. Lots of dogs on the trail, either on the lead or off the lead, seems to be acceptable. Yeah, anyway, we're going to enjoy the sun and the trail mix. See ya!
Hey guys, so I just had to let you know about the photo of these waterfalls that I've just taken. I absolutely love it. Did a long exposure for the waterfall part, so I really wanted it to be blurred. I ended up having to put the camera on the floor and using the floor as a tripod. I shot it at f50, f40 at ISO 50 for about 0.4 of a second. And then to get the sharpness back, because you get aberration, I've then rephotographed the rock face at about f9, so it's nice and sharp. There's a plane coming over now, so I'll just talk a bit louder, which is great. But anyway, I'll give you the settings, but I really like that shot. Let me know what you think. Okay. Right.
Homeward journey now on the return. So we're heading back on the Blue Wren walk after a lovely 60-foot Falls return loop trip, which has taken us most of the afternoon. Obviously, if you don't want to stop and chill out and have a picnic and all the rest of it, it would probably only take, it wouldn't take that long, but we've been here all afternoon. It's beautiful. Suitably kind of tired, not tired, but
exerted.
Yeah. It's an easy walk. It's only really that up the waterfall that it comes a little bit moderate, so you have to have some sort of fitness to you. But there seem to be people of all sorts of ages up there, young ones, old ones, lots of dog owners. So yeah, it's great.
Yeah, let's go.